I get a picture of that?
Yeah, that's fun.
GTR, Mustang S2K, CTSV wagon. Three GTR stacked up out here. Full carbon H2, no GTR, no GTR, no GTR. Change of the plans. We're heading up to York right now. Alright, so I don't know if you guys know H2O is, but it's like the same thing up in York right now. It's not like actual H2O, but it's basically just a stretch of highway and a lot of nice cars just go up and down it. So we're heading there right now. So it's even going to be a better night than expected. I didn't even know this was tonight until my friend Derek let me know. So we're in the Crown Vic right now, gone. And there's Derek's Vic. So we're on our way to York. Let's go. That I'm sick, so like I'm not feeling the greatest, but I also probably don't sound. I probably sound like Squidward right now, but we're good. We're gonna make it up to York, and hopefully it's gonna be a good night. It sounds like it's gonna be, so we'll figure it out. We made it to York, and the squad is cruising. Dig this. Yo, this thing's like, it's tooted. Shout out to all you people who seem to find that looks nice on trucks. Huh. We have a boosted Coyote. New Edge Mustang. Check this thing out. I think we found the spot. There's a heck of a lot of burnout smoke. This would be it. Wow, dude, there's a lot of people. Holy wow. We found the good spot. Yeah, this is definitely the spot to be. Good deal. always shake the camera.
Bro, they're
Good. You're good. I fucking love you.
That shit was sexy. You see that?
You need a different car. Just realized I didn't film an outro for this video, and I also had a bunch recorded on my phone because my camera batteries kept dying. And it turns out I'm struggling to import that to the computer, so I'm gonna have to call it quits on this one. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, do your thing, I'll do my thing. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.